So we are at day 75 of our 100 days DevOps challenge, and today we have to solve about Jenkins slave nodes. It's basically we have to add agent node to run our Jenkins job. Okay, so if we read the description, the Nautilus DevOps team has installed and configured new Jenkins server in Status Data Center. Okay, they will use for CI/CD and for some automation task. There is some requirement to add all app servers as slave nodes in Jenkins so that they can perform tasks on these servers using Jenkins. Okay, so we have to add all app server as SSH build agent. Slave node named should be app server 1, app server 2, app server 3, and there should be labels step 1, step 02, step 03. Okay, and this is the remote directory. Okay, so then you have to ensure that all slave nodes are online and working properly. Okay, so let's log in Jenkins UI. Then let's update our plugins. So selecting all of them, update, make sure restart. Okay, restart done. Now we'll install our required plugins, which is SSH build agents. Let's find it. SSH build. Okay, this one, select and install. Done. Now let's move and add credentials. Okay, so system global credentials. Now we'll add credential. Okay, so let's go to the all user page, then app server 1. Okay, this one, user is Tony, username is Tony, password paste here, give it ID name as step 01. Okay, let's create it. Okay, done. Add another credential. Go there, copy second one, username is Steve, paste password, give ID name stf02, create. Okay, last one, this is banner. Okay, username is banner, password paste here, ID is tf03. Done. We're done. Okay, now we'll add our agent. Okay, so we are clicking on this one, set up an agent, and we'll give our first agent name, which is app server 1. Copy from here, paste it, and select permanent agent. Okay, great. Then we will okay, so labels should be stf01. Then remote directory will be home Tony Jenkins. Okay, done. Now launch method should be agent via SSH. So we are giving stf01 here. Credential should be Tony. Where is skipping? Non-verifying method. Okay, then we're done. Let's edit, save. Okay, good. Now let's add another node. It should be app server 2. Let's see, app server 2. This is good. Permanent agent, create. Same way I'm giving username should be step. Okay. Then labels should be stm02. Same launch method should be launch agents via SSH. Then keep host 02 credential step. What? Where the credential gone? Now it's showing here. Okay, so it should be step. Host is stf02 non-verifying method. Then step levels stf02. Okay, done here. Now let's add this one. So save. Okay, and the last one, app server 3 permanent agent, create. Should be banner. Labels stf03. Launch method, launch agents via SSH. Give hostname stf03. Credential is banner and non-verifying method. Okay, so let's save. Done. Now nothing is working because check why it's saying offline. Then it's failed to launch agent processing it because let's check the log. So Java command not found. Basically there is no Java installed, so we have to install Java. Okay, now let's log in each of the server and install Java. SSH Tony step 01. Okay, password here. Sudo new install Java. Okay, let's find JDK 21 CentOS. So we have to run this command. Okay, let's copy this one. About 21 open GTK. Pick the password, login, then run this command. Should install Java. Okay. Again, paste the password. Okay, it's installing Java 21. Okay. It will take some time. We can take another tab and run the same command on each app server. So let's log in. Copy the password. Okay, so let's run the command. It will ask again for password. Here's the password. Okay. What? Yeah, so it's installing as well. So Java is installed. Let's see. Okay. So now if we check from our Jenkins, we should see server 1 is live. Not yet. Apply, save. Okay, we see app server 1 is online now. Similarly, we have to make online all others root server as well. So now this is also installed. Let's log in into the last one, which is banner at STM03. Copy the password, paste here, run the sudo command to install Java. Last password, copy from here, paste there. Okay. Let's check for server 2. Apply again. See. Okay, we see agent successfully connected and online. It's done. Now let's launch the last one. Click on launch agent here. Okay, so this is also connected. Now let's test getting a job. It's basically a freestyle job. We can test node freestyle project. Okay, then we'll add a view step, execute shell, and from here we have to choose our specific SSH agent node. Okay, so we'll click here, restrict where this project can be run. Then here we will add the label. So let's say start from the first one, STF01. Okay, so it will launch only on the first node. Okay, then let's sound the echo hello from agent. We can check current directory. So let's say pwd. Also we can check our current user. So that's all. Apply, save. Now let's build this one. You see it's successful. Let's check out the console log. So console output. So this is our output. Hello from agent, hello from agent. This is the current directory and user is Tony. That's all. Now let's move. Let's configure to test on this another node, which is TF02, and apply, save. Again build now. So it's also successful. Check console output. So hello from agent. Okay, this is also working. And the last one, check configure STF03. Okay, let's apply, save, and run. All are done. Okay, so I think we're done now. Let's test. Okay, check confirm. Okay, successful.